Navigating rising living costs can feel like steering a ship through a storm, especially for South African pensioners. But fear not, help is on the way. A practical first step is applying for a SASSA grant, which provides essential financial support. Determine if you are eligible and submit your application to potentially stabilize your finances. Also, check your local municipality for possible deductions on utilities and property taxes designed for low-income elderly residents. Addressing healthcare costs is vital. Look into plans that offer substantial coverage at lower prices. To boost your income, consider part-time work or use your skills to start a small business, providing both monetary gains and personal satisfaction. Participate in community stokvels, local savings groups that enhance not just your economic outlook, but offer a sense of community through mutual financial goals. Each action you take strengthens your financial position. Remember, every challenge has a solution. And for South African pensioners,